Fold your clothes, a simple guide to everyday English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase in the English language, fold your clothes. This phrase is not just about arranging your wardrobe, it's a great example of everyday English that you can use in various contexts. So, let's dive in and unfold the meaning together. Fold your clothes is a phrase that instructs someone to bend or crease their clothes neatly, usually after washing or wearing them. Folding helps in organizing your clothes and keeping them in good condition. It's a phrase often used in households and is part of daily routines. Let's understand why it's important to know such phrases in English. In this section, we'll break down the phrase into simpler terms. Fold is a verb that means to bend something, especially paper or cloth, so that one part of it lies flat on top of another part. Your is a possessive adjective, indicating that the clothes belong to the person being addressed. And clothes refer to items of clothing. Together, the phrase means to arrange your items of clothing by bending them into a neater shape. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in different contexts. Imagine a mother telling her child to tidy up their room. Please fold your clothes and put them in the drawer. Or in a laundromat, where a sign reads, "Fold your clothes here to keep them wrinkle-free." Understanding the context helps in using the phrase appropriately. In this part of the video, we'll show a quick demonstration of how to fold clothes. We'll take a t-shirt as an example and show step-by-step how to fold it neatly. This visual aid will not only teach you the action behind the phrase but also give you a practical skill for daily life. English is full of similar instructive phrases, like hang your clothes, putting them on a hanger, or iron your clothes, removing wrinkles with an iron. These phrases are part of everyday language and knowing them enhances your understanding and fluency in English. That's all for today. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, fold your clothes, and its usage in daily English. Remember, learning a language involves not just words, but also understanding how they fit into everyday life. Keep practicing, and don't forget to fold your clothes. See you in the next video.